How to add overlay in ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add overlay in ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through. First things first, go ahead and open up the video and or the image that you would like to edit here and on the project here on the video. Now I want to add overlay on this video here on this selected part, right? What you can do is you can simply go ahead and tap on import media there and then select the video picture that you would like to simply add the overlay that you like to add. Now I just want to add this image here. You can see I have green screen on it as well. I don't have any overlay, but all you gotta do is drag it from media here down below here above the video. Make sure it is above the video or else it won't be, it'll remain back. So you can see it's here above the video, right? If I drag it downwards, then it'll be behind the video. So you want to make sure it is at the top of the timeline. Then here you can resize it. Once you have resized it, all you gotta do is head over to the effects option at the right hand side. Select it on timeline, and here now there is no any option for particularly overlay, but you'll get the option green screen here. Now you'll also get chromatic aberration where you can go ahead and edit it and resize it and such. But here I want to use the green screen option. You can see green screen, and once I've used it, it'll be used here, and I can resize it and I can save it. So if you have a video, you can do the same as well. This is how you can easily add overlay on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.